Hi my web viewers, how you doing? In this video I'll show you the new way of earning points or gems in GameHag. Okay, this is the app zone. Okay, just click here in app zone. Now all you have to do here is click on play and watch an ad. Okay, let's go. Just wait for the countdown. Okay, I'll pause the video here. When the ad finish, just close the window and a message will appear. Congratulations, you earned soul gems. This is my amount of soul gems. Okay, let's do that again. Wait 30 seconds to close the window. Okay, congratulations, you got a soul gem. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you like it. Till the next one.